to my roots. Oh yes, yeah, darling.
Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
Let me introduce someone to you here. This is Princess Adire. She is the Royal Ambassador with Global. Am I correct? Yes. And she's the CEO of Adire. Nice to meet you. When you want to do the fabric, you use wax to resist, you know, the dye going into the fabric. So the parts here that you see that have the white bit are the bits where we put the wax and it resists the dye, and it's called the batik technique. This is called the needlework technique. This is an ancient design where what the women do is they use needles, thread and needles, and they use all these bits that have the white bits here. They use thread and needles to put it together. So when we dip it into the dye, that bit also resists the dye as well. It's a really, really ancient technique, and it needs a lot of learning to know how to do it. Yeah, and it's called the needlework, alabere. Yeah, it's alabere. So abere means needle. So it's the alabere technique. The rest are the tie-dye, or different designs, you know, different.
Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
Motifs with different symbols, meanings, you know. And this is the batik range. This is our batik range. Yeah, batik. Yes. You can take it out and feel it, and yeah, have a look at it. Yeah, you can spread it out. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. Yes, it's so nice. It's so lovely.
And this is 5 yards.
That's 5 yards, and that's actually our Ojaja premium range. That's what we call it, because it's an ancient technique that we're reinventing. So we call it the Ojaja premium. So that's that. Which one? This one? Yeah, that's batik as well. Yeah.
What's the name of it?
Batik. B-A-T-I-K. Batik. Yes, it's batik. Yeah, where we use. Thank you. I know some of the signs and the symbols. They have meanings, but I don't know all of them. I know we have hundreds of thousands of symbols, you know, that we put on. We opened in February.
This year?
Yeah, this year.
Wow.
Yes. And we have a training program, a free training program where we teach, you know, women and youth, the craftsmanship of Adire. It's free. It's sponsored by His Majesty.
Wow.
Yes.
And so the history of tie-dye.
Tie-dye, yeah. It actually started here, yes. Abeokuta is more like the commercial center, because Abeokuta borders a lot of other West African countries. So it was easy for them to take it, you know, and sell it over there. And then over the years, while you're selling, you know, you would learn how to make it as well. But it originally started from here by the deity Oshun.
Right.
Yeah, because Oshun Lo Laro, it means Oshun owns, you know, the craftsmanship of dye. So she started the dyeing process. Yeah. However, history has it that originally the first patterned dyed cloth was actually made by Orunmila, who was inspired by Olodumare. That is kind of it. It's not kind of, it's actually in the Ifa Bible. Yes, you know, where we know about the origin, the genesis of the craftsmanship of tie-dye.
We see so many westernized, designs. However, it all started from here.
It all started from here, and you know, a lot of the Chinese, the Indians, they've kind of, how do I put it? Yeah, imitated, appropriated what belongs to us, you know, and so they do so many print versions. And the print versions that they do make it, you know, it kills the actual craftsmanship, yeah, the authenticity. So it kind of kills it. And that's one of the reasons why Kabiesi said we must try to do the authentic ones. It's not as if we can't afford, you know, hundreds of thousands of dollars to bring in machines and, you know, roll it out in hundreds and thousands. But that's not what His Majesty's vision is about. We want to invest in human capacity. You know, we want to make the lives of people we work with sustainable. Yes, you know.
This is beautiful. It is.
Thank you, thank you. And this is a particular design. Let me go and bring it and show you what the design is.
Please subscribe to Ilekoko TV.
So this design is for, we're having a massive chieftain's installation very soon. You know, and the way we do it in Nigeria, in Africa, we always wear an outfit that's uniform. We call it Ashoebi. So this design here is for this Ashoebi. It's the Iyalaje Odua Ashoebi. So what we do is, you know, you can see the bit here that's in purple. So this bit has been dyed purple. So the bit here goes into, we dip it in the purple dye while this stays white. And then when it comes out, we then print on it. Yes.
Can you say that word for me one more time? The uniform word.
Ashoebi. Ashoebi. You know, it's a symbol that unites everyone. So if you go somewhere and you're wearing an Ashoebi, whether you know the person or not, it identifies that you're one. You've all came here, you've all come together for the same purpose.
Back to my roots. Oh yes. Yeah, darling.